who loves to visit different places for the sake of making videos in order to teach you spoken English, and an experienced English trainer from Bangladesh who is on a mission to help millions of people speak English eloquently, spontaneously, and naturally. Definitely practically. I have traveled more than 200 kilometers, 250 kilometers for coming here at Potuakhali in Varishal with a view to teaching you spoken English. Please share the video and all the time follow Mehdi sir to learn English. Taking care of your health through exercise is important. Nurturing your soul through prayer is important. Bhai, your health needs exercise and your soul needs prayer and your life needs halal earnings. What do you need? What else do you need? Nothing, man, nothing. বেঁচে থাকার জন্য হালাল রুজি, দুনিয়ার জন্য ব্যায়াম, সুস্থ থাকার জন্য ব্যায়াম এবং আখিরাতের জন্য নামাজ। মাশাআল্লাহ. Pray to prepare yourself for the hereafter. Exercise to keep fit in this world, to stay healthier and happier life. Earn halal. Halal earning is important for your livelihood to sustain. কি সুন্দর লাইন. I think this is enough motivation. Get up early in the morning and start speaking English. Mehdi sir is an English trainer, a dedicated and passionate English content creator. Is there any content creator in Bangladesh who is working hard, trying his best to teach you spoken English? Assalamu alaikum.